Hello and welcome to yet another of my on-the-bench videos. This is HDCD player called Arcam Alpha 9. That red light there shows you that it is in fact HDCD CD. Other than the Pacific Microsonic PMD-100 HDCD chip, this unit has some other functions or features, and I'm not talking like the fact that you can turn off a display. I'm talking about real serious under the hood stuff. This is a collaboration between Arcam and dCS people, the ones that do $30,000 DACs, and this in fact has a RingDAC. Oh, that zoom didn't help as far as focusing. So they collaborated for 3 years, and a result of it were 3 Arcam players and a whole line of theirs, of dCS DACs and CD players. They used to do first military, then communication stuff, and now they went to audio. So unless you want to blow tens of thousands of dollars, this is one of the players you can get. What was wrong with it? Originally a standard stuff, you know, I replaced the belt and cleaned some micro switches, but then the head would just travel to outer circumference and wouldn't do anything there. So then I found that the problem was with 18-volt supply, and there's a LM317 regulator that went. It really probably went because this player is powered all the time. You can turn it off, yet the analog section is still connected. You know, there's 30 and 5 volts being turned off by 18 volts plus minus still going. And that's obviously purpose design thing. And somebody was audiophiling, fitting. I've seen some Oscons and I don't remember Nikon or Rubycons. I have to check which ones they were. And I think they forgot to fit a heatsink on that regulator. And you know, without heatsink it got fried with time. So now it has a proper big heatsink, so it should work fine. Another thing is, even though this unit, and I mean, you can have a look, this placed number 7, you can hit number 2, and it will just jump between tracks fast. It reads table of contents also very, very quick. I mean, it starts spinning now and it's already there. And of course, plenty of players do that. But not all of them with such low laser power. Normally, this is done with playing purposely faulty disc. And normally they have 0.1 of a milliwatt, and this does it with 0.05. So we'll start with track 50, and that's already, you know, double what the Red Book standard requires. That's 2 millimeters instead of 0.09, and you can see we got 2.2, 2.3, still all right. 2.4 we have first artifact. So what's remarkable about it, low power, but this is not some fancy laser, this is just plain old KSS 240. So obviously the cleverness in this player, in design, is, you know, extends to all facets of it. So that's about all, folks. And so if you want a dCS RingDAC, you know, this is the player to get rather than a $30,000 one. Soon will be available for sale on eBay. Well, thank you very much for your time, and till next video. Bye-bye. And what we're listening to is a art ensemble of Chicago, an avant-garde group from, you know, 70s. I think they even started earlier than that. Thank you very much. Goodbye.